It's never good when an airplane's landing gear gives out, and today we have a Piper PA-24-250 Comanche in the shop that had exactly that problem, a classic gear collapse on landing. Now this airplane's flying days are over, but we're going to recover so many parts from it that will keep other Comanches flying for years to come. Now our team is carefully tearing into this disassembly. We will surgically disassemble this airplane and get all sorts of goodies. The Garmin GNS 430, the KX 155 Navcom, the avionics tail beacon, and all sorts of things will come from this aircraft. The interior, lots of landing gear components, fuel system, engine, prop hub. We're getting lots of good stuff. Call us if you need Piper Comanche parts, and be sure to like and subscribe. What you're looking at here is the end of an ag plane or a crop duster, or is it just the beginning? Now we've got this Piper Pawnee Brave 400, which is a PA-36-375 that had an engine problem and its life ended right where it landed in the cornfield, but we'll salvage all sorts of good things from this aircraft. Now, our team is going to surgically disassemble this agricultural aircraft to get everything that's left and make sure that parts and components live on in other airplanes all over the world. It's got a sat-lock GPS guidance system. It's got an airframe Alaska tail wheel. It's got all sorts of great instruments and avionics, and it's got an automatic flagman dispenser. All those components will be available in our store soon, and we'll make sure that this Pawnee Brave 400 lives on all over the world. Today in the BAS Part Sales disassembly hangar, we have a Piper PA-28-235 Cherokee. Now this airplane suffered a prop strike, but we will surgically disassemble it into a whole bunch of parts that will keep the Piper Cherokee fleet flying the world over. Our expert team is carefully salvaging many parts from this airplane, such as the Garmin GNS 430, the GTX 330 transponder, the KX 155 Navcom, and the S-Tech autopilot system. Even unique components such as the rosin visors, the tip tanks, and the avionics tail beacon will find new life in other aircraft. Join us as we dismantle this Piper Cherokee, ensuring that its legacy continues soaring through every component recovered. Now this is a Robinson R44 Raven II, one of the most popular and versatile helicopters in all of general aviation. Now this particular bird had a problem when the pilot overcorrected doing tours and he caused a rollover. Now nobody was hurt, everybody was safe, but this helicopter is done. We will get lots of good things from this helicopter. Our team will surgically disassemble and we'll have parts available very soon. Now our team is meticulously disassembling this aircraft, salvaging valuable parts like the Garmin GNS 430, the Garmin GTX 330 ES ADS-B transponder, a Northern Airborne audio selector, and the KI 196 bladder kit. Each component carefully recovered here will find new life in other aircraft and will help to continue the legacy of the Robinson R44 Raven II. Stick around as we dive into the details and give this helicopter a respectful send-off by ensuring its parts take flight again.